Purchasing an AV system for your organization can be a sizable investment. That's why excellent maintenance and support is essential to keeping everything running as it should, and is the key to getting the best ROI. Introducing LightWerks PlatinumCare. We designed LightWerks PlatinumCare to maximize your audiovisual system's uptime, minimize your support staff's maintenance burden, and do it all with a predictable and budgetable cost structure. Depending on the level of support you need, our engineers, programmers, trainers, and technicians will keep you covered with 24/7 end-user support, remote monitoring, on-site trouble resolution, and technical training to increase the lifespan of your systems and eliminate the stress and cost of unnecessary downtime. Contact us to learn more about LightWerks PlatinumCare, support and training services for maximum return on your AV investment.